Welcome to this peaceful deep sleep meditation. This is your time now, a moment just for you to rest, to reset, and to release the weight of the day. Lie down comfortably, allowing your body to settle into the bed. Gently close your eyes and take a long, slow breath in. Then exhale softly, letting go of everything you no longer need to carry. Let every sound around you blend into your relaxation. Bring your awareness to your feet and imagine a warm, soothing wave washing over them. Feel this wave rise slowly, relaxing your ankles, your calves, your knees, your thighs. Your legs grow heavy, warm, and deeply relaxed. The wave moves to your hips, your belly, your lower back, dissolving tension as it flows upward. Your chest softens, your shoulders drop, your arms become loose and still. Your hands rest comfortably. Let your neck relax, your jaw unclench, your forehead soften. Your entire body feels safe, supported, and ready for deep rest. Now gently deepen your breath. Slow inhale through the nose, soft exhale through the mouth. Again, inhale peace, exhale the day. Let each breath carry you deeper, into quiet, into stillness, into calm. Your breathing becomes slow, smooth, effortless. With every exhale, feel yourself letting go more and more, drifting deeper into comfort. If a thought appears, simply notice it, like a visitor passing by. Place that thought gently on a soft cloud and watch it float away, high into the night sky. You don't need to hold it. You don't need to follow it. Return to your breath, slow, quiet, peaceful. Your mind becomes clear, spacious, unburdened, ready for rest. Imagine now a peaceful night garden, bathed in gentle moonlight. The air is cool and calming. The sky above is sprinkled with stars. You walk slowly along a soft path, hearing the quiet rhythm of the night. The world around you feels still, safe, beautiful. You find a cozy place beneath a tree, its branches forming a natural shelter above you. You lie down here, supported by the earth, comforted by the night, welcomed by rest. This is your sanctuary. Now, as your mind drifts into deep rest, let these affirmations flow gently through you. You can repeat them silently or just allow them to soak in naturally. I am safe to rest. My mind is calm. My body knows how to relax. I release the day completely. I deserve deep, peaceful sleep. Tonight, I allow myself to heal. I am supported. I am cared for. I am at peace. Feel each affirmation settling into your body, like soft, warm light, guiding you gently into sleep. Your breath is slow, your body is heavy, your mind is quiet. There is nothing left for you to do, nowhere you need to be, nothing you need to think about. You are safe to let go completely. Allow sleep to rise around you softly, naturally, as you drift into deep, restful, healing sleep.